So in last session, what we discussed, guys, right? In last session, we have discussed about grep command. If you want search for the data, if you want search for anything in the files, we will use grep command in Linux. If you go to Windows operating system, we have GUI facility, guys. See here, I'm going to this D drive. Right, in D drive, I have several files, folders are available. In D drive, I'm opening this DevOps with AWS 08. Here I'm going to open this DevOps, guys. Here, multiple files are available. Let's see here, if you want search for anything, I will open the corresponding file. I will open the corresponding file and I will search inside that file, guys, by using Control F. Control F, I will search for, right, Kubernetes or pod. I will use, right, pod I am searching. Where pod is available in this file, I want to search. See here, you can get the pod, guys. See here, we have the pod. Find next we have the pod here. Next here we have. Like that, we have GUI facility to search for the data, guys. Right, same way, if you want to search in multiple files, guys, in this location we have these many number of files, and I want to search for the word in all these files, guys. In all these files, I want to search for the word. So then here we have the option. Here you can search for the word, guys. In Windows, we have this GUI facility to search for the data inside the file. But coming to Linux, we don't have this facility. We don't have the GUI facility. Then what we can do in the Linux? In the Linux, through commands only we can do. Through commands only we can search for the data, guys. For that, which command we discussed, guys? In yesterday's session, we discussed about grep command. By using this grep command, we can find the data in the file, guys. By using grep, we can find the data in the file, guys. Grep stands for what? Global Regular Expression Print. Global Regular Expression Print, guys. What is the use of this? By using this, we can find the data in the file. See here, like this, we need to give the command grep, that word, which word you want to search, that file name you need to give. By default, grep is the case sensitive command. If you want ignore the case, then we need to use -i. -i we need to use. -i stands for ignore, guys. Next, guys, right here, by using grep command, we are searching for the word in the file, guys, in the particular file. Right, in the present working directory, whatever the files are available, in all the files I want to search for the word. In the present working directory, whatever the files are available, in all the files I want to search for the word. So then here grep -i word, and here we need to take the star. The star only will represent the present working directory at here. Okay, so now in my present working directory, I have some subdirectories also. And I want to search in the present working directory and subdirectories also for particular word. So then we need to use this recursive. R stands for recursive, guys. Recursively, I want to search for the directories and subdirectories everywhere. I want to search for the word, guys. So this is right the way which we will use this grep command, guys. Right, grep command. Fine, guys. After this grep command, today, as part of today's session, we are going to understand editors, guys, test editors. Right, we have several test editors are available. Right, we are going to understand what is this test editor, guys. See, in Windows, right, daily where I am writing the class notes, guys. Daily, I am writing the class notes in the notepad, guys. Daily, I am writing the class notes in the notepad, guys. Okay, so now, right, Notepad is the default text editor for Windows operating system. Notepad is the default text editor for the Windows operating system, guys. Then, what about Linux? What is the default text editor for the Linux operating system? Right, the default text editor for the Linux operating system is VI. See, guys, in previous session, somewhere I have written, if you want to create the normal text files, what are the different ways we have? By using touch command, we can create. By using cat command, we can create. And by using VI also, we can create the normal text file. Already we have seen how to use the touch command and how to use the cat command. Now, if you want to, right, if you want, right, open any editor, guys, a text editor in the Linux, this VI is going to work as a default text editor for the Linux machine. In Windows, the default text editor is what? Notepad, guys. In Linux operating system, the default text editor is VI text editor. Okay, fine, guys. Guys, yesterday we have seen some commands, guys. Yesterday we have seen some commands. See here, was this? Right now, go to here. Yesterday, guys. Here we have. I'm going to create few files, guys. Observe carefully. Here I'm creating file by using cat greater than f1.txt. Cat greater than f1.txt, guys. Now, in this f1.txt, I'm going to write some data. Right, DevOps I am writing. Right, AWS cloud I am writing. Right here, Azure cloud I am writing. Azure cloud I am writing. Next, GCP cloud I am writing. GCP I am writing. Next here, IBM cloud I am writing. IBM cloud. Right, IBM cloud. Next, Salesforce. Salesforce, like this, right? We have different clouds are available, guys. We have different clouds are available at here. Now, control C, guys. Okay, so now by using cat command, we can display the data which is available inside the f1.txt file. Okay, so now if you write like this, cat greater than under f1.txt, right here, right, enter, and if you write some data, what will happen? Right, whatever the data already present inside the file, that data will be overridden by some other data, guys. Some other data. Next, guys, if you use double greater than symbol, and here I'm using f1.txt, enter, f1.txt, enter, and if you write some data, right, that data will be append with the existing data inside the file, guys. Okay, very good. Suppose if you want edit this data, guys, if you want edit the existing data, then what you will do? See, guys, here I have the DevOps, guys. Instead of DevOps, I want to mention as a DevOps tools. Instead of DevOps, I want to mention as a DevOps tools. But by using cat command, can you able to do that? By using cat command, can you able to do the modifications? If you want, you can override the data. If you want, you can append the data. But can you able to modify the data by using cat command? Can you able to modify the existing data by using cat command? No. Why? It is not opening in the editor. It is not opening in the editor, guys. If you want to modify the data, right, if it opens in the editor, then you can modify. But here, it is not opening in the editor. So you can't able to modify the data by using cat command. Then what I need to do? You need to open this f1.txt file in editor. In text editor, you need to open this f1.txt. There you can perform the required modifications. But by using cat command, we can't able to modify the data. So now how you will open this f1.txt file in editor, guys? See like this. See, guys. Here, vi f1.txt. See, guys, like this file will be opened. DevOps, AWS cloud, Azure cloud, GCP cloud, IBM cloud, Salesforce cloud, like this. Everything is open at here. By default, this f1.txt file will be opened in the command prompt mode. By default, f1.txt file will be opened in the command prompt mode. If your file is opened in the command prompt mode, then you can't able to write the data. You won't get the chance to write the data. Right? If you want to write the data, then you need to switch from command prompt mode to insert mode. Currently, see, guys, here you can see currently you are in which mode. If you are getting like this, means currently you are in the command prompt mode, guys. Command prompt mode. So with this command prompt mode, you can't able to write any data inside this file. And if you want to write the data, you need to switch from command prompt to insert mode. Then you can write. How you will switch from command prompt mode to insert mode, guys? The keyboard, we have a button called I. In the keyboard, we have a button called I. I stands for insert. Right? Just press that I button, guys. See, now here it changed as insert. Now it changed as insert, guys. If you get as insert, then you can write the data inside the file, guys. Now here, what is my requirement? I want to change this DevOps to DevOps tools. DevOps tools. Now here, I want to give GCP cloud. Here I want to give GCP cloud. And here I want to give Salesforce cloud also. Here I want to give Salesforce cloud, guys. Like this, I want to give it here. Right, like this I have given it here. Now save the file, WQ. Right, see guys, after writing the data, if you want to save the file and quit from the file, then what you need to do? See here in our keyboard we have escape key. Just press that escape button. After that, right, give this colon, guys. Give this double quote like this, colon. After that, W stands for write the data inside the file. Write the data inside the file. Q stands for quit from the file. W stands for save the data. Q stands for quit from the file. So this is what you need to give after modifying the data, guys. See here what I need to do. Escape. See guys, go to insert mode. Right, escape you need to press. And this colon you need to take, and WQ. WQ means write and quit. Write and quit, guys. Enter. Enter, guys. Okay. So now let me check cat command f1.txt. f1.txt. See guys, here modifications are came or not. DevOps tools at GCP cloud. See guys, at Salesforce cloud. At all the modifications came or not. Earlier here what we have? Only DevOps. We don't have DevOps tools. Now here we have the DevOps tools. And earlier we have only GCP. Now here we have GCP cloud. Earlier we have only Salesforce. Now we have Salesforce cloud. So like this, we can do the modifications by using text editors. Okay, fine guys. So now again I have opened that vi file, f1.txt file. f1.txt file, and I'm going to insert mode. Right now here some dummy data, some garbage data I have written it here. Guys, by mistake. By mistake I have done the modifications. I don't want to save these changes. Guys. Without saving the changes, I want to quit from the file. Then what I need to do? Don't get panic, guys. If you want to quit from the file without saving the data, now whatever the modifications are happened in the file, I don't want to save those modifications. Without saving the data only, I want to quit from the file. Then how you can quit? Guys? Just press escape button. And this colon button. Earlier, to save and quit, what we have given? WQ. W means write the data. Q means quit the data. Now here, without saving the data, I want to quit from the file. Then here what I need to use? Just use Q. Q stands for quit, guys. And this symbol, not symbol. Q stands for quit, and that symbol you need to use, guys. Here we are not using W, guys. W means save the data inside the file. But here we are not using W, just we are using Q. Q means what? Quit from the file. Enter. See guys, now you came out. Guys. Now let me check that garbage data is saved or not. f1.txt. See guys, do we have that garbage data here inside the file? Do we have that garbage data? Not available, right? That garbage data is not there, guys. Is that clear, guys? Now again, if you want, you can open the file f1.txt. Here, whatever the modifications you want, you can do everything, guys. Here, if I want to add some more data, see guys, here you can add. Guys, Java, right? Python, right? So what other tools, right? What the other tools? SAP, like that, right? You can use other data and you can save. Escape, colon, WQ, guys. So like this, you can open the file in the text editor and you can do the required operations and you can save it, guys. Okay. So this is VI editor. How to open the file, how to write the data, how to save the data, and how to quit from the file without saving the data. All these things we understood. Now let me write these points in our notes. Guys. Up to where we have written in last session. grep command. Okay, fine. What is this? Text editor. So in Windows operating system, in Windows operating system, in Windows operating system, the default text editor is what is this, guys? Notepad. Notepad is the default text editor in the Windows machine. The default text editor is what? Notepad, guys. Notepad. Okay. So in Linux operating system, the default text editor is VI, guys. VI is the default text editor. Guys. Okay. So now, how you will open a file by using this VI? See, guys, here VI f1.txt. VI f1.txt. And if you give this command, by default, it will open in default mode. By default, it will open in default mode. Then what you need to do here, just press here, you need to press 1 minute, guys. Right. Right, guys. By default, it will open in the default mode, guys. Then what you need to do? Press I, guys. Press I to go to insert mode. Guys. Okay. Right. After that, what we need to do? Enter some data. Whatever the data you want, enter some data in the file. So then I want to save the data and I want to quit from the file. For that, just press escape button. After that, this colon, and after that WQ, enter, guys. And here, what is the purpose of this command, guys? To save the data, to save and quit from the file, guys. To save and quit from the file, we will use this, guys. To save and quit from the file, we will use this. Guys, have a look into this. In Windows operating system, the default text editor is Notepad. In Linux operating system, the default text editor is VI text editor. Let's see, guys, how you will open the file by using VI space f1.txt file. By default, it will open in the default mode. Guys. Right, what is the default mode? Default is the command mode, guys. By default, it will open in command mode. Let me take command mode is the default, guys. So take command mode, guys. And then what you need to do? You need to switch to insert mode. How you will switch? Just press button I, guys, to go to the insert mode and write some data. After that, escape colon WQ, enter, guys. Right, you can save the data in the file, guys. Okay, next, guys, I want to quit without saving the data. To quit without saving the data. What I need to do? I want to quit without saving the data, guys. Just escape colon Q, not symbol, enter, guys. And with this, you can quit from the file without saving the data, guys. right? So this is one text editor, guys. We have one more editor that is called as the stream editor. That is called as a stream editor, guys. This is one editor we have. Another editor is called as the stream editor. In some places we will call it as sed command. Sed, guys. SED. Sed stands for stream editor. Sed stands for stream editor, guys. Now here sed stands for stream editor. Sed stands for stream editor. Fine. So what this stream editor will do? What this stream editor will do, guys? In Linux, by using sed command, we can replace the text without opening the file, guys. Now, if you want to modify the data, here what we are doing, by using vi command, we are opening the file, and inside the file we are making the changes, guys. But I don't want to open the file. Without opening the file only, I want to modify the data. Is there any option? Yes, we have. By using the sed command, we can modify the data. We can replace the data without opening any file. Guys. Right? Next, guys. Right, to replace, right, see here, let me take like this. Here, let me go to here. See, guys, here. Let me check cat command, cat f1.txt. F1.txt I'm taking. What we have in this file? See, guys, Java, Python, SAP, like this. We have several things are available, guys. Okay, so now here I want to modify something. Guys. And here in the place of SAP, I want to put some other word, guys. I want to put UI technologies in the place of SAP. Right? See, guys, by using cat command, just we are displaying the data. Right? If you want to edit the data, then you need to go to editor. VI editor, guys. But I am not opening the file in the VI editor. Then how you can modify the data? By using sed command, we can replace the data without opening the file. How you will use that sed command? SED. Right here, see, guys. Right, SED. Right here, in which file, guys? F1.txt file. F1.txt. Now here I have taken the single quotes, right? Inside this, you need to write like this, guys. Here, yes, guys. 1 minute. Here, yes, I am taking. And here slash, guys, this is the syntax, guys. Yes, this syntax, it will start with S, guys. Now after slash, here I am going to take which word you want to modify. Which word you want to replace, that you need to take. I want to replace SAP. This is the already existing word, guys. First you need to take the existing word. After that slash, right, by using which word you want to replace, that you need to take here. By using which word you want to take, by using that we need to replace, guys. UI technologies I'm taking. See, guys, here SAP I want to replace with UI technologies. See, guys, here SAP is there. In the SAP I want to replace with UI technologies, guys. For this, which command I'm using? Sed command I'm using. Sed, right here, old word and a new word I'm taking, and a file name I'm taking it here. Okay, now here, enter. See, guys, earlier here what we have? SAP is there. But now UI technologies are there. Now let me check let me check once again. Cat f1.txt. Or just now we have given UI technologies, right? But here again SAP only it is showing. Where is that UI technologies? Just now I modified the data, guys. But here again it is showing SAP only instead of UI technologies. What is happening here, guys? Whenever we are using this SED command like this, what it will do? Just it will modify and display on the terminal, guys. Just it will modify and display on the terminal. It is not going to write inside the file permanently. It is not saving the changes in the file permanently. Just it is modifying and display on the terminal. Just it is modifying and display on the terminal. It is not saving the data inside the file. Oh man, I don't want like this. I want to save the data inside the file. I don't want like this. I want to save the data inside the file. Then what I need to do? here I have used this command. Because of this command, it is modifying and displaying on the terminal but not saving inside the file. See here, when we have seen this, we don't have that UI technologies, still we have SAP only, but here UI technologies are there. Why? Here it is modifying and displaying on the terminal but it is not writing. Then what I need to do? Here, see guys, just right after set command, after set, here just I am going to take one option that is called as -I option. -I am taking. Yes, in yesterday's session, somewhere we talked about -I. There I told -I represents ignore case. -I represents ignore case. But coming to set command, this -I represents as insert. -I stands for insert in the sed command. It is inserting the data inside the file. That's why -I stands for insert in the sed command. Now let me enter. Now here, now check it guys, cat f1.txt. Are you getting UI technologies or not? Now inside the file, UI technologies is saved or not? Let me check. vi f1.txt. See guys, here you are getting UI technologies also, means the data is saved inside the file. UI technologies is saved inside the file. That's why here you are getting that. Okay. -I stands for what? Insert guys. Right. So by using the sed command, we can delete the lines also guys. And you can replace the data without opening the file, and you can delete the lines also without opening the file. You can delete the lines also without deleting the file guys. Okay. How you will delete the lines without opening the file guys? Okay. Very good. See guys, now let me go to this file and let me add a few more lines guys. Let me add a few more lines here. I'm going to take Maven, GitHub, at Jenkins, Sonar, Tomcat, Docker, Swarm, Right now, what will take? Kubernetes, at Grafana, ELK, Nexus, like this. Like this, I have taken some data, guys. Like this, I have taken some data inside the file, WQ. Okay, perfect, guys. Now, let me check cat f1.txt. See guys, these many number of lines are available. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 lines are available guys. 20 lines are available inside the file. Now, without opening this file only, I want to delete the lines guys. I want to delete the lines without opening the file guys. How you will delete the lines without opening the file? How you will delete the lines guys without opening the file guys? Now here, observe carefully guys. Observe carefully. Here, what I am going to use? Sed command I am using. Guys. Now here, right, I am going to take dollar or not dollar. I am going to take, see guys, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. IBM Cloud. Fifth line is the IBM Cloud. That fifth line I want to delete. Then here 5D you need to take. Fifth line I want to take 5D. I am taking here f1.txt. See guys, what is the fifth line here? What is the fifth line? Above guys. Above here. What is the fifth line here? Check it once. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. IBM Cloud is the fifth line. Here guys. Here what is the fifth line? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Salesforce Cloud. What is the IBM Cloud? IBM Cloud got deleted. Without opening the file only, we have deleted the IBM Cloud. For that, sed command we are using. Guys, now tell me, those changes are reflected inside the file or not? Those changes are happened inside the file or not? No. No, guys. Here also, just it is deleting and displaying on the terminal, but it is not making the changes in the file, guys. It is not saving the data inside the file. It is not saving the data inside the file. See, guys, you can check now. Cat f1, right? Cat f1.txt. See, guys, again IBM Cloud came. Why? It is not saved inside the file. I want to save inside the file. Then what I need to do? Just here, take -i. -i stands for, right, insert. Insert, guys. Enter. Okay, so now you can check cat. Guys, IBM Cloud gone. IBM Cloud gone, guys. Like this, right? We can delete the lines also without opening the file by using sed command. Okay, okay, fine. Right, in my file, thousands of lines are there. Thousands of lines are there in my file, but I don't know what is the last line. What is the last line? I don't know. Thousands of lines are available, guys. In that case, if you want to delete the last line of the file, if you want delete the last line of the file, so like this we need to do, guys. Sed command -i last line I want to delete. You don't know what is the number of the last line. If you know the number, then you can give how we have given 5D, 60, 70, like that we can give it here. But we don't know, right, what is the last line number, guys. Then how you can delete, guys? See here, what is the last line? Nexus. Nexus is the last line. Now let me delete that, guys. Sed -i, here I am going to use $D. I am using it here. $D I am using it here. $D I am using it here. And here file name we need to write f1.txt. Okay, now guys, write cat f1.txt. See, guys, next is okay. To delete last line, right? Last line is what? Okay. But guys, here one space is there. That space is representing as the last line. Okay, fine. Now again I am going to delete it, guys. Enter. Okay, now let me check it once. Cat command. See, guys, now that nexus got deleted. Nexus got deleted. Now I want to delete last line. What is the last line? ELK. ELK, guys. Enter. Right here, you can check by using cat once again. Cat f1.txt. That ELK also deleted. ELK also deleted. Sorry. ELK also deleted it here, guys. Like this, by using sed command without opening the file, we can delete the lines also, guys. We have seen how to delete the particular line by using line number and how to delete the last line. Last line also we have seen. Okay, very good. So now here, what is the second line, guys? AWS Cloud. AWS Cloud is the second line. Third line is Azure Cloud. Fourth line is GCP Cloud. Now I want to delete 2, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4, guys. 2, 3, 4. Multiple lines I want to delete, guys. From 2, guys. 2 to 4 I want to delete. Or 2 to 5. Salesforce Cloud also. 2 to 4 I want to delete. How you can delete, guys? How you can delete? Right, to delete multiple lines from second to 5. What we need to do? See, guys, here we need to write like this, guys. Sed command -i, here second line, comma, right, 5D, like this we need to 2 to 5 I want to delete, guys. Now here f1.txt. Now you can check cat f1.txt file. Right. Here if you observe this, observe here, guys. Here if you observe, second line is AWS Cloud, Azure Cloud, GCP Cloud, Salesforce Cloud. These are the 4 lines which we need to delete. Same here, if you observe it here, after DevOps, right, we have AWS Cloud, we have Azure Cloud, we have GCP Cloud, we have Salesforce Cloud. No, everything is deleted. Everything is right? Everything is deleted, guys. Whatever the from to we have given, all the lines got deleted from here, guys. 2, 3, 4, 5, all 4 lines are deleted. Without opening the file only, we have deleted all these lines, guys. Okay, guys, I want to delete a particular line, guys. See here, I want to delete multiple lines, guys. I want to delete multiple lines. Multiple lines in the sense, I want to delete second line, and I want to delete fifth line, and I want to delete seventh line, guys. Right, option is right, your wish, guys, your choice. Which line you want to delete, you can select, guys. I want to delete second line, I want to delete fifth line, I want to delete seventh line, guys. Then what we can do, guys? Then what we can do? Set command. Set command. Here I want to use -i. Here, see, guys, take the single quotes like this. Inside the single quotes, take like this, guys. 2D. 2D I am giving semicolon, 5D I am giving semicolon, 7D I am giving, guys. What does it mean, guys? I want to delete second line, I want to delete fifth line, and I want to delete seventh line, guys. F1 dot T. See, guys, here what I want to delete, guys, without opening the file, I want to delete the second line, I want to delete the fifth line, I want to delete the seventh line of the file, guys. Seventh line of the file, second line, fifth line, seventh line, I want to delete from the file, guys. Enter. See, guys, here if you observe it here above, if you observe it here, what is the second line, guys? Second line is what, guys? Java. Second line is Java. Third line is fifth line is Java. Fifth line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maven is the fifth line at sixth, seventh. Jenkins is the seventh line, guys. Now let me check cat f1.txt. Cat f1.txt. Cat f1.txt. See, guys, here, 1 minute, guys. It's happened. 1 minute, guys. Cat f1.txt. What lines are available? Right, second line is Java is available. Third line, right, fourth line is UI technologies available. Fifth line, sixth line is GitHub is available, guys. Now I want to delete all these lines. Set command -i. Here I am going to take like second line I want to delete semicolon, and here second line, fifth line I want to delete semicolon, and right, and seventh line I want to delete, guys. Seventh line 70 like this I need to take. From which file? From f1.txt file. F1.txt file. Second line, fifth line, seventh line. Before deleting, let me check what lines are there. Second place Java is available. Second line Java is available. 2, 3, 4. Fifth line Maven is available. Maven is available. And next sixth line GitHub is available. Seventh line again seventh line Jenkins is available, guys. Now let me check. Enter. Now cat command, right, f1.txt. See, guys, is there Java? No, deleted. Why? Java is the second line. Next, is there Java? After Java, what we have? Java, Python, UI technologies, Maven. Is there Maven? No, deleted, guys. After that, is there Jenkins? No, deleted, guys. Like this, you can delete multiple lines also by using set command. You can delete multiple lines also by using this set command at here, guys. Okay, is that clear, guys? Repeat, my. Right, guys, is it clear how you will use set command? Right, what is the advantage of set command, guys? Without opening the file, without opening the file only, right, we can modify the data by using sed command, and without opening the file only, we can delete the lines also by using sed command. Without opening the file, we can modify the data. Without opening the file, we can delete the lines by using sed command. That is the advantage of sed command, guys. And we have seen vi also. Vi also as a text editor, we have seen that vi also, guys. Is it clear up to here? Up to here clear, guys? Right, guys. Guys, now let me check what files are here. I have only one file f1.txt. f1.txt is available, guys. Now I want to create one directory file. How we will create mkdir DevOps I'm creating. Right, mkdir, right, AWS I'm creating. Then next here touch command f2.txt I'm creating. Right, touch command f3.txt I'm creating. Next touch command f3.txt, right, touch command f4.txt. So like this I have created multiple files, guys. Now observe carefully. Right here ls-l guys, right, long list we are getting at here, guys. Here tell me what are the directory files and what are the text files, guys. See, guys, right, by using colors we can't able to tell that. Whatever the directory files and whatever the text files, then what we need to, how you can able to tell, guys, right, based on the first character of the word. See, guys, now observe carefully. So now let me take this line, guys, copy. Now let me open the paint here. Paint I'm opening. See, guys, here I am taking like this, guys. Here I have taken like this. Okay. Here one. Right. Here we have taken this one, right? 1 minute, guys. Kavita. Right here, let me copy this line. Now go to here. I'm going to paste that line at here, guys. Very good. Right now, one more I'm going to take. Guys. This one. One more I'm taking. This one, guys. Copy. Go to the paint. Like this I have taken. Guys, observe carefully. Here we have one directory file and one text file is available, guys. How you can tell whether it is a directory file or text file, guys? Observe carefully, guys. By using the first character of the line, by using this first character, we can tell whether it is a directory file or text file. If the first character is D, then that is the directory file. If first character is hyphen, then that is the normal text file. First character is D, then that is the normal directory file. If first character is R, then that is the, right here, sorry, not R, hyphen, then that is the normal text file, guys. Hyphen D. By seeing these first characters, we can tell whether it is the directory file or normal text file, guys. Okay. And what about remaining things, guys? Here total how many characters we have? Here total we have 10 characters are available. Total here we have 10 characters, guys. Here we have total 10 characters are available. You can check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Out of 10, first character will tell whether it is a directory file or text file. Here we have total 10 characters are available. Out of these 10 characters, first character will tell whether it is a directory file or normal text file. Okay, it is confirmed. Whether it is a text file or normal, right? Directory files or normal text file, guys. What about other 9 characters, guys? Other 9 characters are the permissions on the file, guys. Who is the user here? EC2 hyphen user is the user. Who is the owner, guys? EC2-user only the owner of the file, guys. Here. See, guys. Now here, observe carefully, guys. Observe carefully, guys. Here, who is the owner, guys? Right, EC2-user is the owner of the file, guys. Okay. So now, right, so by using this, by seeing these 9 characters, we can tell who have the what permissions. Right, this first one is the owner name. Right, the second one is the group name, guys. First one is the owner name, right? Second one is the group name. Already I told, whenever we have created the virtual machine by using Amazon Linux, by default you will get one user, that is the EC2-user. Right, now we have connected with that EC2-user only. Right, whenever you have created the Linux virtual machine by using Ubuntu, then you will get Ubuntu as the default user, guys. Now, whenever you have created a user in the Linux machine, right, with the same name, one corresponding group also will be created. So, whenever EC2-user is created with the same name, EC2-user group also created. For every user with the same name, one default groups also will be created. For this EC2-user, what is the default group name? EC2-user only. EC2-user only, guys. Here, first character is telling whether it is the directory file or text file. Remaining 9 characters will talk about the file permissions. Remaining 9 characters will talk about the file permissions. Again, in that 9 characters, observe carefully, guys. Observe very carefully. Right, in that 9 characters, first 3 characters will talk about the user permissions. Next 3 characters will talk about the group permission. Right, last 3 characters will talk about the others permission. Last 3 characters will talk about the others permission, guys. Here we have total 3 parties are available. User is available, group is available, others is available. First 3 characters will talk about the user permission. Second 3 characters will talk about the group permission. Last 3 characters will talk about the others permission. Okay, perfect. So now observe carefully, guys. In the user permissions, guys, observe very carefully, very, very important. On this f3.txt file, user will have only read and write permission. See, guys, here you can see, right here, this person don't have the, this person, observe carefully, guys. Observe carefully. Here I have divided into 3 sections, guys. First section will talk about the user permission. Second section will talk about the group permission. Third section will talk about the others permission, guys. Now, user will have only read and write permission. User will not have the execute permission. Group, second one is the group, guys. Second group have the read permission and write permission. Group will not have the execute permission. Others will not have group permission and execute permission also. Is that clear, guys? Is that clear? So now here, what is R stands for? Here, what is R stands for? R stands for read permission. W stands for write permission. X stands for execute permission. Execute permission. These are the 3 types of permissions we have. And here, who is the user? EC2-user. This EC2-user is going to run this f3.txt file. EC3-user is going to run this f3.txt file. And see, guys, see here, if this EC2-user wants to work with this file, what permissions this EC2-user have? This EC2-user can read the data from the file and can write the data inside the file, guys. But he don't have execute permission. Suppose tomorrow I will take one shell script file. Inside the shell script file, I have written some script. Now, as a EC2-user, I want to execute that shell script file in my Linux machine. But you should have the execute permission, then only you can execute that shell script file. Otherwise, you can't able to execute. Is that clear, guys? Now, right, we need to give those permissions, guys. We can give that permissions, guys. Just remember for today, guys, right, first character will talk about the name of the file, whether it is a directory file or normal text file. After that, we have 9 characters. In that 9 characters, first 3 characters will talk about the user permissions. Next 3 characters will talk about the group permissions. Last 3 characters will talk about the execute permissions. R stands for what, guys? Here R stands for read, guys. W stands for write, guys. X stands for execute, guys. Okay, so now here user have only read and write permission. User have only read and write permission. Now we can give the execute permission also. Right, next, guys, group also have only read and write permissions. Then you can give execute permission also. Right, next, others have only read permission. Others don't have the write and execute permission. If you want, you can give write and execute permissions also for others, guys. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear? How you can able to see the file permissions, guys? Just you need to run long list command, guys. ls-l. If you run this long list command, you can see the file permissions. Which permissions, who have which permissions, you can see. Here user have only 2 permissions, read and write. Group also have only 2 permissions, read and write. Execute have right, see, others have only read permission, guys. If you want, right here, user, group, others, right, no one have the execute permission. If you want, you can give that execute permission also to these people, guys. Is it clear, guys? Guys, is it clear? Guys, please respond. What about others?
Yeah, clear, sir.
Good. Good, guys. Guys, for today I'm stopping. I'm not comfortable, guys. Today only I came. Just before starting the session only I came from hometown. Right, I'm not comfortable. Right. So tomorrow we will continue, guys. Tomorrow I will explain how to give the execute permission to the user. How to give the execute permission for the group. How to give write and execute permission for the others. I want to remove the permissions. How you can remove the write permission for the user. How you can remove the read permission for the group. How you can remove the read permission for the others. How to add the permissions. How to remove the permissions. Right, we will understand in tomorrow's session. Apart that, in interviews, they will ask a question like how you will give the permissions. How you will work on the permissions by using numeric numbers. By using numeric numbers, guys. Right, with the numeric numbers also we can add the permissions, we can remove the permissions. Right, how to work with that numeric numbers also we will understand in tomorrow's session, guys. Right, just guys, once again I will repeat these things, guys. Tomorrow once again I will repeat these things and I will show how to add the permissions, how to remove the permissions, guys. See here, user means user will be represented with right character U, guys. Right, next, group will be represented with character G. Others will be represented with character O, guys. Okay, like this. Now, if you want to add the permissions, then you need to use plus symbol. Right, if you want remove the permissions, then you need to use minus symbol, guys. To add the permission, we will use plus symbol. To remove the permission, we will use minus symbol, guys. Next, right, for user, which permissions you want to add? For user, I want add execute permission. Execute means which character you need to take, X you need to take. So here I am going to give X character. So here I am giving X, guys. Here X. Right, means what? You are giving the execute permission. You are adding the execute permission to the user. Now I want to remove write permission for the group, guys. Group means G, guys. Write permission means W. W I want to remove for the group. How you will do? Right, G minus W. G minus W means what we are doing? We are removing write permission for the group, guys. Next here we have others, guys. For others, I want add the write permission. For others, I want add the write permission. How we will add? Plus W. Plus W. For others, I am adding the write permission. Like this, you can add the permission by using plus operator. You can remove the permission by using minus operator. Here U stands for user, G stands for group, O stands for other, X stands for execute, W stands for write, R stands for read. So like this, you can add the permission, you can remove the permissions for the user, group and others, guys. Tomorrow I will show practically how to add the permissions, how to remove the permissions by using these characters, and how to add the permissions, how to remove the permissions, how to check the permissions by using numeric numbers, right? Everything we will discuss in tomorrow session practically. Is it clear, guys? Thank you, guys. Right, I think yesterday I haven't shared the notes, right? Today, yesterday notes and today notes up to here. Whatever I have covered, everything I will share it now. Right, tomorrow we will discuss right on these permissions in detail, guys. Detail we will discuss on permissions part in tomorrow, and tomorrow only I will discuss how to create the user accounts in the Linux, guys. As of now, only we have one default account, that is EC2-user, and we are using that EC2-user. Now I want to create one user for me. So Raju wants one user in the Linux machine. We can create. Okay, Rani wants one account in the Linux machine. We can create, guys. How to create the accounts for users in the Linux machine, right? We will discuss in tomorrow session, guys. How to work with the accounts, user accounts, and how to work with this file permissions and all these things. So we will discuss in tomorrow session, guys. Okay, fine, guys. Fine. Thank you, guys. Tomorrow, right? So we will discuss remaining things. Till now, whatever we discussed, everything I will share, guys. Tomorrow, once again, I will discuss. Right, all these things here, whatever I have written, right, everything, right, I will discuss, and I will make it notes also. I will prepare the notes also in tomorrow session, guys. Thank you, guys. Thank you.